Directions for your chicks and Easter eggs. Put your name and teacher code on the back. You might want to use pencil to trace, but I'm going to use Sharpie because then I'll have a nice smooth line around my egg shapes. So you line up your egg shape right close to the edge and the bottom of your paper. Hold on to it very tightly before you trace around it. When you move on to your second layer, look for that V shape in between the two eggs, and that's where you're going to put your next one so that we're creating overlapping. And you're not tracing the whole egg, you're only tracing the kind of top rainbow part, and you're trying to make sure they're about the same size, so you don't want any taller than others. You'll also draw part of your egg going off the edge, also creating the idea that there's overlapping happening. You're going to do the same thing for the last row of eggs. You're going to find that V-type shape, and then you're going to trace just the top of your egg to make kind of a rainbow shape, lining up your egg next to the one in the middle to fill up your paper. Once again, decide if you want to use marker or pencil. If you don't feel like you'll need to erase, just go ahead and start with the marker. And you can add patterns of any kind to any of your eggs and different faces. The faces are pretty simple. It's just little circles we color in black and triangle shapes we already know. And then to make the wings, you could just make kind of a wave shape. Just go ahead, fill it in however you choose. If you have time, you can use markers or crayons or both to add color to your project.